Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this Wiggle Wednesday and also the releases for this Friday. I'm sorry if you can hear like a slight fuzzy in the background, but I am Bennett is asleep and I'm trying to export videos and compress videos and do everything. So I tried to move my other computer as far away as possible in my office, but it's a very small office with no carpet, so I tried. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. I'm trying to keep it simple because last week was a really big release weekend. We had a lot of orders, so thank you so much if you placed an order. So I just didn't want to kind of overdo it just because we do have a lot of orders to fill. You know, I like to keep my order processing down to the lowest as possible. I did want to mention that, you know, with the next couple of weeks mostly, our processing time prior to shipment has been very, very quick. If you've ordered, you notice usually we ship within 3 to 5 days, I'd say. But with just the holidays, we're just going to be closer to the 1 to 2 week, which is what we always quote anyways. So let's go ahead and get into it. I just have 2 collections for you today. Each one of them has the same amount of, no, actually this one has 2 glitter samplers, but they each have an ultimate, a mini, a glitter sampler, the 15mm washi overlay, and then the Fashion Girls. They both have all of that. So let's actually just go over the Wiggle first just to get that out of the way. So our Wiggle Wednesday is available on Wednesday at noon Eastern, so the day that this video goes live. So let's go over this week's Wiggle, which is gold tinsel. You guys can see it there. It's a really cool gold color, and I feel like it does look really good with our gold items. So they are definitely a different tone, but I think you can mix and match. Or this would be really cool to match with maybe the red, sparkly, what would you call that? Ruby slippers, kind of a different contrasting texture. But really excited about this one. I think this is really fun for the holidays slash Valentine's Day time. And gold, honestly, I use gold all year round, so this works for me. So let's go over the sheet. So you do have the same sheets as the past couple of Wiggles. I think I have 2 more Wiggles in this format, and then we'll be going to a different Wiggle format. So I was going to release a different foil, different foil than these this week, but we'll just release these ones. So this is the 15mm washi overlays. So this is the same. These are all the same as last week. This is the chunky glitter header overlays, the icons and date numbers, the mini icons, the full box overlays with the chunkier glitter. There is the little spot, but I showed you guys the last couple of weeks that you can totally just scratch that off with a little tweezer. These are already discounted sheets, so I did do a poll and you guys said you didn't care. And if you're oh, well, you know, how do I know what pressure to use? You could totally use any of these sheets and just, you know, scratch off a little bit of our logo. You don't need a ton of pressure, and you can just totally get that off of there. But honestly, once you put the full boxes on the regular box, you can't even notice that single dot of foil. Then there is the corner overlay sheet, and then if you do, these are all available a la carte for $2 each, all 6 sheets. But there is an option. It's the last option that you can do all 6 plus the freebie. So this is the only way you get this little freebie. This freebie has 3 bows and then some scripts here, and then that is $10. So it's you get a sheet for free, and then also you get the little sampler here. So that is the Wiggle for this week. Like I said, the past couple weeks I did quadruple my stock, so there seem to have been plenty for all of the Wiggles so far, so I'm really excited about that. I personally don't like when things sell out. I like to have ample stock for everyone. It just makes my anxiety in my life easier. Let's go ahead into the collections. So this one is called Chiara, which I was looking at this art and I was this is really pretty. So whenever I assembled the kit, I sent it over to Jessica and I was what should I call this? And she's that reminds me of Kiki. I got an itch in my eye. Who is Paper Princess. So if you guys don't know Kiki Chiara, you should definitely check out her Instagram and her YouTube channel, but this is very her vibes. I feel the girl, and then all the colors. I feel it. And also, we're running out of names for kits, guys. I think we're on 500 kits or something crazy. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this one. So this one does have rose gold accents, but I feel honestly you could go any 3 foil colors with this one. I feel the rose gold you could totally pull in gold and it wouldn't look wild, but also I feel like the tones of it could totally go silver. So you do have the freebie here with the new releases in the Munchkin. And then you have this gorgeous artwork here, which I love this sticker sheet. I messaged the artist and I was like, inspired? And she's like, yes. And she sent me a picture of one of my kits, which was so cool. So that is the full boxes. And then you have the ombre heart checklist. You have this page here, which, like, look, how cute is that? I was like so excited. I was like, yes. You have the functional page, the half boxes page. I love these like cable knit patterns. They're so pretty. You have the extra full box here, which is another fashion girl. So you got like a medium with brown and then a light with blonde. You have the check boxes down here, which are so cute with those new check marks with the foiled ones from last week. The little things and washi, the pattern washi, fancy labels, and headers. You have your deck over here, which is so cute. I love these bubble mailers. I feel like I need a whole sheet of them. Even like the cutting mat is really cute. I don't mess with silhouettes. They don't like me. And then you have the flags, which we do have the new, oh, those didn't come out yet. And then some boxes. And then look at this bottom washi. It is so pretty. So I'm so in love with this collection. I think it is so gorgeous. I think I'm doing like kind of like for April, I was going to do a full Disney month for my birthday, but I'm thinking about doing kind of like a planner girl boss month. So I'm thinking about using this one during that month. It's just kind of hard because Bennett's like half year, like his half birthday is in April. So I don't know, but it also does come in a mini kit. So I'm trying to, like, how could I find a kit that's like planner girl, but also could kind of relate to Bubba? I gotta work on that. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. So this is the mini kit. We do unlimited stock for the first 3 hours of new releases on Friday at noon Eastern. We have been trying to stock a lot of the mini kits. I feel like the mini kits have been fire, but they do sell out usually within the weekend. Sometimes they do last quite a bit longer though, so it just kind of depends. But if you are a mini kit user, definitely hop on at noon or around then. You can pick those up. And then there are 2 options for the glitter sampler. So you have this really pretty light rose gold, which I love. It's definitely on the pinkier side, which I think really does look beautiful with the our like pinkier rose gold. And the only thing here is I forgot to change the topper color, but it's only for the first run. If we do any restocks, there'll be a different color. But this is the rose gold and this is the regular colorway. And then there is also the 15mm washi sticker. And then the fashion girl. So I did do like a variety of the different fashion girls there. So that is Chiara, Kiki. So that is the first collection. And then the second collection is so pretty as well, which I might use this one in March. I feel like this has March or June vibes written all over it, but it's definitely, both of these are very anytime kits. Great to have in your collection. Honestly, last year I feel like I really messed up with like anytime kits because in the summer, I don't want to use summer kits for 3 months. It's just not my vibes. So I need to start like stocking up on some anytime kits so that I'm not like in August being like, what do I use? So this is Cece, which I just thought it was a really, really pretty name that I really like. So this one has gold accents throughout and I just love the marble. Obviously you guys know I'm a marble addict and I love all of the black accents in here. And then the colors are more of a kind of like, I feel like a pretty colorway. Like you got the pinks, you have like an orangey peach color and then a gray, which is so fun. I just love this colorway. It's so pretty with like the accents of black and all of the decor. Then you have your extra full box here, which is a girl on a laptop, the little things, the washi, and then you have the deco page here, which I love. I love this. I love it a lot. And I love these flags. I think they're so cool. I love the patterns. They're very graphic. And this bottom washi is super fun as well. So that is the ultimate kit. Pretty psyched on both of these ultimate kits this week. Like I said, I'm trying to like stock up on some anytime kits, especially for like June and August when I don't want to use a million summer kits. Is anybody else like not a big fan of summer? Like I feel like it's because winter there's, well at least for me, there's you know, Thanksgiving and then there's all the Christmas kits and then we go into winter and then there's Valentine's Day. And then in summer, there's like the 4th of July. And then I don't know what else to do with it. You know what I mean? So there is the mini kit here. This is so cute. I love it. It's so pretty. I love the black. Like I'm a big fan of black in kits. So that is the mini kit for CC. And then we do have the extras available as well. So we do have the glitter sampler, which I love these colors with this kit. It is so pretty, especially this peach color. Really, really fun and unique. And then there are the girls. So I did do some kind of like more like fashion hair colors. We have black hair and then also a reddish colored hair. And then there is also the bottom washi sticker. I don't know, I'm losing words. It is 12:40 p.m. and I haven't been sleeping a lot, but this black would also be really pretty with a lot of different kits. I was gonna do like one of the lighter colors, but I felt like because the colors in this kit are like the lighter ones, this would kind of pull in the black. And then also I feel like you could pick this up and put it with a lot of different kits if you wanted to kind of stock up on black ones. I know a lot of you guys are asking for white, which let me know if you guys want white bottom washi overlays, which might seem counter like intuitive, but I think it makes sense. Then we have some foil releases for this week. We actually have 4 designs. This one here is a full box overlay, and this is like a alternative splatter. I think they have a couple different types of splatter. Not sure what I'm going to call this one. I'm kind of running out of names for splatters. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below. You guys usually have like pretty phenomenal ideas whenever I'm just like brain farted out. So there is that one. Then we have these, which are gold snowflakes. So we do have a limited stock of just the gold ones of these. We do have the hollow ones, which were in the October mystery, I think. I might have to put that up actually, the 23rd. Oh no, that's November. So we have the hollow ones up if you wanted to pick those up, which were October mystery, but these are the gold ones. These were in the Hello Simple paper. We just had a minimum order, so we have the leftovers if you guys want to pick those up. And then we have these, which are the Harry Potter scripts in Jessica's handwriting, which are just oh so fabulous for marking down when you read a book or you watch the movies. So dang cute, and Jessica's handwriting is fire, and I love those. And then I also have these, which are so cute, and I'm so excited. I've been using them like within photos and stuff. So I love these. These are little like hearts. You could totally use them as deco. They're not quite like the itty bitty little deco size. Let me kind of put them in my planner. So I more intended these for like using as deco or kind of like putting randomly on full boxes, or another idea, you could totally use them as check marks. Let me see if I have, where are my check marks at? Let's see. Let's do a sticker swatch. Do like a little bit of a contrast. It'd be really cool if you use this whenever you're doing kind of like a mixed metal look. Yes. Okay. So we're going to do a little sticker swatch on here. But I mostly intended for like on full boxes and stuff. Oh my god, yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay. Yes. I endorse that. I endorse that. So these are little hearts. We're going to have a bunch of different little shapes coming out, but they are also really cute to kind of just like sprinkle on your full boxes, like especially if you're using like the corners. I think it's cool to put a corner and then maybe put like a little heart in the corner, or, you know, maybe putting these like as little deco, like let's say, you know, you're putting in a character sticker to mark something. You can put like a little heart with it, and I just think it'd be so cute and just like a little added like something special. And I love the check mark. Kind of obsessed with this. Kind of obsessed with it. I'm going to send a picture to Jessica because I think it's fire. But that is everything for this week. I know it's a little bit less than normal, but it's Christmas week almost, and I'm winding down a little to end the year. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and also thank you for watching my 25 days of videos. I will have the Advent portion now. As I'm filming this, I'm like, I should have just did like a one day as like a full Advent unboxing day, but the things you think of whenever it's already over, you know what I mean, are already halfway over. Let me throw away some of this trash because it's like a lot. There's a lot of trash. Oh my goodness. I have a Starbucks chai that hasn't been drinking yet, and I'm getting a little like sad about it. So, oh my god, this is my favorite card in the whole entire Advent. Okay, so this is a foil journaling card that says, do you want to build a snowman in hollow, which again, I might actually just put this in my winter setup right now because it's so beautiful. And then there is a silver foiled winter bucket list, which I am so excited about this. I have been wanting to use the winter bucket list, which we will be doing all the like regular foils in the shop later. I just love this. It's so beautiful, and I'm like so excited to use it. It's been really itching like to use it, and I'm like, now I can finally use it. And then the Giving Girl, so this is day 19. There is a little freebie here, which looks like, it looks like a cutout deco with little dots over it. That's interesting. And then there are these little dots. So there's like circle, like filled in circles, and then non-filled in circles in gold. And then we're on day 6 of the 12-day Advents. So this one looks like more of the like one-page sticker sheets. So this is it's on like a premium mat, or it's like more like, I guess, matte. I'm gonna say it's like a thick mat from Two Little Bees. So it's just like a one-page mini kit. And then there is this one-page mini kit from Sadie Stickers. It looks like they're kind of like B6 box size. It's nice because she could fit a lot more on here. And this is foiled, so I'm really excited about this. I wonder if there was a kit that matched this, because this is really pretty. But you guys know I'm like high-key obsessed with Sadie Stickers and Maria of Two Little Bees. And Maria is like one of the funniest people in the planner community, in my opinion. Then for this day, it looks like there is a whiteout. And then that's for the Bunny Prince. I think it's called Bunny Prince. Butterfly planner. Butterfly planner. And then in day 6 of the Harry Potter inspired Advent, there is a foiled silver. Is it foiled? It might be hollow. I think it's silver. I don't know. With lightning bolts. And then there is a marble washi card with the Deathly Hallows symbol. And then day 6 of Simply Gilded is a little bit on the thick side. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's sweet. It's like a pink velvet. This reminds me, this is like Irene. She's just like a delicate pink like ribbon bow. She's just so sweet with the gold. It's so cute. So that is the conclusion of day 19 and day 6 of the Advent calendars.